Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name of this traditional Italian pasta dish from Naples. The dish is made by lightly sautéing sliced, minced or pressed garlic in olive oil. Very simple, sometimes with the addition of dried red chili flakes and just tossing that with the spaghetti. There's nothing simpler to do, but it's so delicious. So how do you go about pronouncing it in Italian? Aglio, which means garlic. The G is silent, so pretty much ignore it in this case and simply say aglio. Aglio, e meaning and in Italian, and olio meaning oil. Olio. Aglio, garlic, and olio. Aglio e olio. Spaghetti, aglio e olio. Spaghetti, aglio e olio. Spaghetti, aglio e olio, aglio e olio, aglio e olio.